Have you ever wondered how to speed up the trading process so you don't spend hours analyzing the market but still maintain the quality of your decisions? I asked myself the same question, and that's how an idea was born that completely changed my approach to trading. My name is Nathan and I've been trading for 8 years. Over this time I realized that good trading isn't just about knowing the market. It's about using the right tools that make your work faster and more efficient. That's how I developed an AI bot that has now become my trusted trading assistant. This bot analyzes data in real time, offers suggestions, and saves time by eliminating human error and emotional decision making. And the greatest part is that it's available to everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can use it to see real progress in your own trading sessions. Are you ready to try a new approach that will help you adapt faster and move forward with confidence? Then let's begin. Before we go on, I want to share something important that could really help you with market analysis. I want to introduce you to a tool that can simplify the process. It's a market analysis tool that helps you interpret data clearly and efficiently. I've created a community where members can use this tool as well as access trading strategies and real-time trade breakdowns. There is no need to dive into complicated theories or master every detail of the market. Just follow the tool's suggestions and you'll see how it works. People in my community use the tool daily and report how it helps them stay on track with their goals. Users often say it gives them more clarity and helps them feel more confident in their decisions. Right now, access to the community is still free, but spots are limited. I personally work with each member to help them learn the tool and ensure it's working properly. Don't wait. Pause the video, click the link in the pinned comment, and start using the tool today. Taking action is the perfect way to truly understand how the market works. Alright, let's jump into the session. The platform is already open. I will start from 18. My smart assistant has already sent me the set of pairs we'll be working with. Let's select them. Perfect. No need for indicators today. My bot handles everything on its own. Alright, we all set, especially now that the bot has already started analyzing the first pair. Alright, the bot has notified about a possible upward movement. It identified that the market is ready to grow. I agree. I see the price is in the sideways range and is now touching the lower boundary of a range. Support level at 2.9. This is typically where a bounce happens, which makes it a good moment for a potential liftoff. Let's see what happens. Great start. Let's keep going. Looking at the next pair. The bot signals that we should go down. I'm going down. The trend is bearish since the price just made a new low. There is a minor correction happening now, but it seems the bot has detected a reversal pattern, a shooting star, which often signals a continuation of the downtrend. Let's watch. Alright, we're at 65, but soon my assistant will shift the game again. Moving on to the third pair. Got it, going down again. I can see the price moving within a channel, and right now it's touching the upper boundary of that channel. This is a classic setup for a move downward, as price often bounces off the upper boundary of the channel within a trend. My assistant nailed the direction again. Let's continue. Are you starting to see how this tool can help you analyze market trends? Many people try to figure it out on their own, spending tons of time reading materials and experimenting, but there is a more efficient way. I get it. I've been through that myself. After a long time, I realized there is a better way to simplify the process. That's why I created the AI bot, a tool that helps analyze market data and supports sound decision making. It's designed for people who want to learn about the market, even with no prior experience. In our community, you'll get access to this tool along with my personal support. I help each participant learn how the tool works and answer all their questions. It's not just about theory, it's about applying what you learn in a practical and understandable way. You can join now and try the tool out for yourself. Spots are limited because I personally work with every new member. So join now while the opportunity is still open. click the link in the pinned comment to learn more about the tool features and how to use it. See for yourself how it can simplify your market analysis. And now, let's get back to the trading. Alright, next pair. AI bot says to go up. Let's do it. I see that after bouncing off a level, the price broke above and then returned to retest it. Then there was some consolidation at the level before price dropped to the next support at 2.96. Now, let's see the result of the bot's decision. Nice! The bot pointed us to the right direction again. Moving on, the bot's analysis is It's calling for another long. Great! I see that the price broke the downtrend with a strong upward impulse. It's now approaching a resistance level, but instead of bouncing off, it's pressing upward. That shows strength from the buyers, and we may see a breakout. Let's observe. Awesome, we're at 460. Now that's sounding more exciting. I've just received new data from the bot. It's recommended to go down. Got it? Let's take action. I see the price broke out of a channel to the upside, but not with the strong impulse we'd expect. It reached a resistance level and formed a doji candle, which shows the uncertainty and a balance of power between buyers and sellers. However, at a resistance level, that often points to a reversal. Let's see. Perfect. Now it's time to place our final trade, especially since my bot is already analyzing the next pair. Alright, the bot says to go down. Let's do that. The price has been consolidating and pressing against the support level. That tells us the market is focused here and there is a good chance it will break through. I expect the support to be broken and the market to continue downward. Excellent! Look at how accurately my bot worked today. Once again, I'm convinced of how effective it is. How many times have you seen a chance to take a step forward but put it off for later? You can close this video and keep doing things the old way, or you can take this opportunity to try something new and effective, something that's already proven its value in the real world. My community isn't just a place to talk. It's a space where I share my experience, show how the tool works, break down real market situations, and explain the principle behind sound market analysis. You will be surrounded by people who don't just watch, they act, using this tool in their own work. This tool was created to simplify market analysis and help you make informed decisions. It helps you analyze market data and avoid common mistakes just by emotions or inexperience. But most importantly, you won't be doing this alone. I help each member learn how to use the tool, answer questions, and walk them through the key points. Access to the tool is completely free. You can keep watching others making progress, or you can click the link in the pinned comment and start using the tool right now. If you are ready to take a step toward new opportunities, I'll be waiting for you in the community. See you soon and take care.